Hi, welcome to Mad for Mondays. I'm Kath Molloy and I've been having a great time down here in Sydney. I've got a special guest who I would love her to share who she is, what she does in the world and how she makes a difference.
Hi, thanks, Kath. I'm Fiona Brown. How I help people make a difference, or how I help make a difference in the world, is by helping other people. I help people realise their value, their worth, teach them how to put themselves first, because if you don't fill your own cup, you can't be helping others. So I do that through the energy healing work that I do, through my coaching and NLP work. So whether it's giving someone some downtime just to receive some goodness, or whether it's helping them get out of their comfort zone, stretch themselves, achieve their goals, however it is for them, whatever they need, I help them meet those needs so they start to feel better about themselves.
Wow, I love that. And energy healing, so important, goes along with body language. So fill your cup and that way you can fill others too.
That's right.
Thank you and make a great difference this week for yourself. Speak soon.